This is exactly how to play Escape the Backrooms multiplayer. So there is actually two ways to do this. And the first way is to click on play a game right here as you can see and then selecting story mode as an example. So when you click on just play game, then what will happen is that you are in here able to add your friends as you can see. So if I actually click and show my friends code here, you can see that if your friend actually enters this code here, they will be able to actually start playing with you without any problems. So this is the first way. The second way, if you want to be able to play with randoms, which is fully possible, but just click on join game here instead. Make sure that you're of course also connected to Wi-Fi by the way before doing this. And then I'm just gonna see if I can join a random game like this one here as an example. So I'm just gonna click on it and you can see it's gonna say attempting to join a server and then it's gonna say loading and then I will be able to join. So yeah, basically that is exactly how you can actually play Escape the Backrooms multiplayer here as you can see.